Most people spend months designing their barndominium. They obsess over floor plans, kitchen layouts, finishes, even the front door. And then they make one decision that quietly costs them $20,000, creates long-term structural stress, and limits how their home actually feels to live in. The roof. And here's the part most builders won't tell you. Structural engineers across the country are increasingly recommending one specific roof design over everything else. Not because it looks modern, not because it's trending, but because, from a structural standpoint, it's simply smarter. And if you're planning to build a barndominium, this one decision can completely change your cost, your performance, and your experience living inside it. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly why structural engineers are recommending modern single-slope roofs, where they outperform traditional gable and gambrel designs. The real trade-offs no one explains properly. And most importantly, whether this is actually the right decision for your build. Because this isn't about trends. This is about getting one of the most important decisions right, before it's too late. And there's one reason engineers almost never explain clearly. A structural advantage that doesn't just affect your build. It affects how your home performs 10, 20, even 30 years from now. We'll get to that. But first, let's set the foundation. What a single slope really is. A modern single slope barndominium, also called a shed roof or monopitch, is exactly what it sounds like. One continuous roof plane, starting higher on one side of the building, and sloping down to the other. No ridge in the middle. No intersecting angles. No valleys. Just one clean, uninterrupted surface. Now, for decades, this design had a reputation. It was seen as too simple, too industrial. Something you'd put on a storage building, not a home. But that perception has completely changed. Because when engineers started analyzing performance instead of tradition, the results pointed in a very different direction. The real problem with traditional roofs. Here's where most people get this wrong. They assume traditional roofs, gable, gambrel, hip, are better because they're familiar. But structurally, they come with hidden complexity. Let's break that down simply. A traditional gable roof has multiple load paths, a ridge line, intersecting structural forces, and several connection points. Every one of those adds complexity. And complexity in structural design means more engineering, more material, more labor, more potential failure points. Now compare that to a single slope. One direction, one load path, minimal connections. That difference might sound small, but it changes everything. The first major advantage. This is where engineers start paying attention. A single slope roof creates one of the cleanest load paths in residential construction. All the weight, from the roof, from wind, from snow, moves in one direction. Straight down, into the walls, into the foundation. No redirection, no complex force distribution. Now here's why that matters. Every time a load changes direction, you introduce stress points. And stress points are where problems start. Traditional roofs have multiple of these. Single slope has almost none. Which means easier to engineer, easier to build correctly, and fewer long-term structural risks. This is one of the core reasons engineers prefer it. But it gets more interesting when you look at real-world conditions. Wind. Where most roofs fail. Wind doesn't just hit your house. It wraps around it. It creates pressure differences. And most importantly, it creates uplift. That force trying to pull your roof off. Now think about a traditional gable roof. You've got sharp angles, a central ridge, multiple surfaces catching wind. This creates turbulence. And turbulence increases uplift pressure. That's why in high wind zones, gable roofs often require additional bracing, reinforced connections, more complex engineering. Now compare that to a single slope. Clean surface, continuous angle. Wind flows over it more smoothly. which reduces pressure differences and reduces uplift. Here's where it gets practical. If you're building in coastal regions, tornado-prone areas, open rural land, this difference isn't theoretical. It directly affects how your structure performs in extreme conditions. And this is one of the reasons engineers consistently lean toward single-slope designs. Snow and water, the silent structural threats. Now let's talk about something less obvious, but just as important. Snow and water behavior. Because most long-term roof problems don't come from dramatic events. They come from accumulation. Traditional roofs create natural problem areas. Valleys where water collects. Ridges where snow drifts form. Uneven load distribution. Over time, these create stress concentrations. Leak points. Structural fatigue. Single slope eliminates almost all of that. Everything moves in one direction. Water drains cleanly. Snow slides off predictably. No valleys. No hidden buildup zones. And here's the key insight. Predictability is what engineers want. Now here's the part most people don't expect. Remember that open loop from earlier? This is it. What surprised even engineers was what this structure does to the living experience. Because when one wall is higher than the other, you unlock something most traditional designs can't easily achieve. Vertical space, light, and directional openness. Imagine walking into your living area, the ceiling rising above you, light entering from high-set windows, spreading across the room throughout the day. Not harsh, not direct, just consistent, natural illumination. This isn't just aesthetic. It changes how the space feels. The financial reality. Now let's talk about what most people are really wondering. The cost. Because this is where expectations usually flip. A single slope roof is typically faster to build, less complex to engineer, and more efficient in material use, which translates to real savings. Not small savings, meaningful ones. Depending on your build, you're often looking at thousands saved in labor, reduced engineering time, less structural material, and in many cases, a total reduction of 15 to 20% compared to more complex roof systems. But here's the important part. This isn't just about saving money upfront. It's about where you don't spend money later. Fewer failure points, fewer leak risks, less maintenance over time. That's where the real value shows up. The trade-offs. Honest truth. Now let's be real. This isn't perfect for everyone. And if someone tells you it is, they're oversimplifying. Here are the real trade-offs. First, aesthetics. Single slope is modern, clean, minimal. If you want a traditional barn look, this isn't it. Second, water concentration. Everything drains to one side, which means your gutter system has to be properly designed, or you will have problems. Third, height imbalance. You're dealing with two different wall heights, which affects exterior appearance, interior layout decisions. Fourth, planning matters more. Orientation becomes critical. Where your high wall faces determines light, solar potential, views. This isn't a plug-and-play design. It rewards smart planning. Who this is actually for. So who should seriously consider this? You're a strong fit if you value efficiency and smart design. You like modern, clean aesthetics. You want natural light and open space. You're building in areas with wind or snow considerations. You're thinking long-term, not just upfront cost. And it's probably not right if you want a traditional barn appearance. You're restricted by HOA or zoning rules. You prefer symmetrical interiors. Or you're not comfortable planning orientation carefully. Here's the truth most people miss. Structural engineers aren't recommending single slope because it's trendy. They're recommending it because when you remove unnecessary complexity, everything improves. the structure becomes easier to understand, easier to build, and easier to trust over time. And as a result, you don't just get a roof that performs better. You get a home that feels better, more open, more intentional, more aligned with how people actually want to live today. So here's what you now know. Single slope creates a cleaner, simpler load path. It performs better in wind and snow conditions. It reduces failure points and long-term risks. It often lowers construction cost and complexity. And it unlocks design advantages most people don't expect. But it also requires proper planning, smart orientation, and honest consideration of aesthetics. If you're planning a barndominium, this is one of the decisions that will affect everything else. So take your time with it. Think beyond how it looks. Think about how it performs, and how it feels to live inside. And if you want to make the next smartest decision after your roof, you need to understand your foundation options. Because that's where most builds either succeed long-term, or quietly fail. That's what we're breaking down next. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share the video. See you in the next one.